Are you ready to learn a hula online? Stay tuned. Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. We are going to learn the hula I Kona, all about the island of Hawaii. The challenge of this hula will be that it is in Hawaiian. I will have the translation listed below for you, so it would be good for you to be familiar with the English as well. This will help you to remember the order of the motions so that you can correctly tell the story in your hula. The question of the day is this the first time you've tuned into iHula Hawaii to learn a hula? Or have you already learned the others with us? Please leave your comment below because I'd really like to hear what's going on with you. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video. Please share my channel with one person this week, asking them to join you to learn this hula as well. Until we see each other again, a hui hou, mahalo for tuning in, and aloha. Composed in 1929, the lyrics were given to George Naope by James Kelepolo in the early 1980s. This mele expresses the composer's love for Kona on the island of Hawaii and the reason he moved there. Using the English translation, let's begin with the hands. Starting with a vamp, right and left. Verse 1, there at Kona, left up, right touch and wave down to show the land are the cloud banks and calm seas. Both high, wave together and open. Bring down forward below, wave together and apart. Second to none. Left on hip, right out. Bring in to shoulder, up and over. Turn over to point and bring back towards your shoulder. Vamp again in between each verse and repeat. For the feet, we will simply kaholo right and left. We will begin with the vamp, then followed by 8 kaholo for verse 1. We will do this in slow motion with the hands. Starting with your vamp, kaholo, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, 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 vamp, and left. 8 kaholo, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, 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 vamp right and left. Now let's dance the first verse together in real time, 2 times through.